Samsung 860 EVO 500GB 2.5-inch SATA 3 internal SSD MZ76E500B AM. The SSD you trust. The most recent addition to the world's best-selling SATA SSD series, the Samsung 860 EVO is specially designed to reinforce the performance of mainstream PCs and notebooks. With the newest V-NAND technology, this fast and reliable SSD comes during a wide selection of compatible form factors and capacities. 1. Innovative V-NAND technology with enhanced read-write performance. 2. Superior endurance backed by a 5-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Sources: NPD, US data from January 2015 to October 2017. Enhanced performance speeds are consistent, even under heavy workloads and multitasking, allowing faster file transfer. The 860 EVO performs at sequential read accelerates to 550 MB per second with Intelligent TurboWrite technology, and sequential write accelerates to 520 MB per second. The TurboWrite buffer size is upgraded from 12 GB to 78 GB. Performance may vary. Supported SSD's firmware version and system hardware and configuration. Sequential write performance measurements are supported. Intelligent TurboWrite technology. Sequential performance measurements supported. Crystal Disk Mark V 5.0.2 and i0 meter 1.1.0. The sequential write performances are Intelligent TurboWrite region are 300 MB per second for 255 hundredths of a gigabyte and 500 MB per second for 1 TB. Configuration: Intel Core i5 3550 CPU at 3.3 GHz, 4 GB, OS, Windows 7 Ultimate x64, chipset, Asus P8H77V. TurboWrite buffer size varies. Supported. The capacity of the SSD: 12 GB model, 22 GB for 500 GB model, 42 GB for 1 TB model and 2/4 of a terabyte for 78 GB. For more information on the TurboWrite, please visit www.samsungssd.com. Boosted endurance up to 8x higher TBW Terabytes Written than the 850 EVO. Feels secure storing and rendering large-sized 4K videos and 3D data employed by the newest applications. The Samsung 860 EVO with V-NAND technology is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Warranted TBW for 860 EVO, 150 TBW for 250 GB model, 300 TBW for 500 GB model, 600 TBW for 1 TB model, 1200 TBW for 2 TB model and a couple of 400 TBW for 4 TB model. 5 years or TBW, whichever comes first. For more information on the warranty, please find the enclosed warranty statement within the package. Smart compatibility: benefit from faster, more fluid communication together with your host system. The refined ECC algorithm and a replacement MJX controller generate higher speeds, and therefore the improved queued trim enhances Linux compatibility. Error correction code: multiple form factors. Whatever size your computer needs, there's an 860 EVO for you. Choose among the 2.5-inch size for desktop PCs and laptops, and therefore the SATA-based M.2 2280 or the MSATA for ultra-slim computing devices. Samsung Magician Management Software. Samsung Magician software is meant to assist you to manage your SSD with an easy and intuitive interface. Firmware update: get notifications when new firmware is released, and simply install updates for enhanced performance, stability, and compatibility. Performance benchmark: check your SSD's sequential and random read-write speeds, so you'll maintain superb performance. Data security: protect data by selecting security options. The 860 EVO supports AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption and is compliant with TCG Opal and IEEE 1667.